So, step 2. Now this is where we start to really pinpoint what it is. Now some people have already done this. Some people have already worked on what the causes are. But it's worth thinking about anyway. So what I want you to do, this is in your manuals, I'd just like you to find a partner or an assistant and just ask them these questions. So, how do you know when it's time to be afraid? What needs to happen in order for you to be afraid? And what that means is what's going on. Oh, I have to see the plane. I have to make a vivid image in my mind. I have to worry about the plane crashing. Whatever it is for you. How do you know that it's fear? Now the reason I ask this one is because very often after I've done the work with people and I go, okay, now imagine you're on a flight. And they go, well, I'm feeling some anxiety, but it's not the same. And then you probe for a bit and you go, it's not excitement, is it? Oh yeah, that's what it is. Because they're actually both up emotions. So what's the difference in your mind between anxiety and excitement? When did you first decide this? And the question is deliberately worded that way because often it will bring out, what was it in the moment that made you decide to be afraid, going into the history? And what was happening at that time to create it? Okay? 5 minutes each way, find a partner, go.